Good morning of Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2022. So the snow has stopped. It's still blowing probably in the 30-mile-an-hour range, but I don't know if it got into the 60s or 70s. There's not that many trees down, but definitely you couldn't see the cars from the house last night or yesterday at all. So today we gotta try to clean some of this out and get over to my mother-in-law's, whose furnace is clicking. It's like 8 degrees outside, so we probably should get over there and get her furnace working, or take her some space heaters. Not too bad. Hour, maybe 2 hours, get the driveway cleaned. Interesting, you can kind of see it's mostly wind-blown. You see that? Wind-blown packed snow, so it's a little bit thicker to get through with the snowblower. But yeah, it seemed to do okay. Much better than the 4 feet of snow, which had all that wet stuff. This is definitely dry snow, although packed. And the bottom, although it was raining, and then within an hour turned to snow, dropped 30 degrees to the teens, and the winds went from 10 to 60 miles an hour. The bottom was just a tiny bit slushy, so wasn't clogging up too much. But definitely ice is over now. When you're done, it's all ice. So you gotta clean it once good and let it freeze. Okay, 92-year-old mother-in-law, to the side of her house. Here's my snow shovel, and somewhere in there is the vent to her furnace, which has been clicking and won't go on. So I'm guessing that's why. Okay, that's where it was. So that's probably like a 5-foot snowdrift against the side of the house, and that's where the furnace vents were buried. So we're gonna go in and see if the furnace is gonna start up, which would be good since it's like the single digits out here with a 30-mile-an-hour wind. It'd be good to get mom's house warmed and get her all situated. Okay, let's see. My wife is waving. Let's see if I can zoom in so you can see.